Hi, my name is Baxter Smith, and I'm doing this video as part of our Computer Concepts course. And I want to talk to you guys about developing iOS apps for Apple devices such as the iPhone and iPad. Now, iOS apps used to be developed for years using a programming language called Objective-C. A few years ago, Apple released its new exclusive object-oriented programming language called Swift, which is currently in its second version. This language replaced Objective-C for Apple devices, and its syntax is very simple and looks a lot more like plain English. To program iOS apps using Swift, we use Xcode, an easy-to-use coding application for Apple computers. Xcode's Playground feature allows you to play around with and see a live rendering of your Swift code. When starting a new Xcode project, you get to choose from a variety of app templates, including single-view application. Your Xcode workstation has three sections: the file navigator on the left, the Xcode editor in the middle, and the inspector pane on the right. The inspector pane includes a list of drag-and-drop elements such as buttons and text fields that you may wish to add to your user interface. What's more, you'll be able to work in a split-screen mode if you desire, for example with your user interface on the left and your Swift code on the right. When you click the play button at the top, you begin to run your app, launching the iOS simulator, which will mimic the actual display of an iPhone or iPad. Now you may be wondering, how do I publish an app to the App Store? It's simple. You'll need to sign up for an Apple developer account, which costs $99 a year, and upload your certificates to the provisioning portal. iTunes Connect is where you write your catalog listing, including the description of the app, screenshots, price, etc. This is also where you submit and publish your app, as well as configure in-app purchases if you wish. Now, actually, you may become an iOS app developer yourself. You can take a few courses on Swift on YouTube, Udemy, Lynda, or Codecademy, or you can take a few courses at Gwinnett Tech on developing apps. The average annual salary for an iOS app developer starts at around $82,000. The cost of developing an iOS app ranges greatly from about $1,000 to $4,000 for a simple list app to as much as $250,000 for an iOS game app. Well, I hope you've enjoyed my spiel on developing iOS apps and that this information came in handy. Thank you.